Here's the easiest stay put eyeshadow look you're going to see all summer. Now I'm going to swatch a little bit of this out and let it set, and then we'll come back to that in a minute. It's summertime right now. I don't have a lot of time for putting on makeup, and during the summer I love these one color eyeshadow looks. And this is so simple. You just color it on. I'm going to go from my lash to my crease, and then I'm going to take a little brush and I'm just going to blend right around the edges. I live in a hot swamp in Alabama, and my eyeshadow has got to stay put. It can't sweat off or crease up or any of that stuff. So after I take a couple of seconds to blend this out, we're going to go back to that swatch and I'm going to show you how good this sets. By the way, this is the Caviar Stick Eyeshadow by Laura Mercier in the color Cobblestone. I figured this is going to sell out really quickly, so I'm going to give you my recommendations for similar colors, which would be Moonlight, Amethyst, Au Natural, and possibly Khaki. And there it is, my friends, a beautiful one color eyeshadow look. And let's do the smudge test. If you need this kind of simplicity in your life, check out the description for more.